And I feel like there's going to be a lot of models, like especially after this next wave of GPUs come, and then there's going to be another wave, and just constantly, I feel like the price is going to drop on the current ones to where there's going to be a lot of models trained in these types of ways. And I feel like that just shows that like the price of AI is like going to zero, except there will always be a high end of like these reasoning models aimed at like scientific math, like harder problems. But I feel like the bulk of the intelligence, the cost is going not to zero, but like the cost of running an EC2 server, basically.
Yeah, it's crazy how the cost for inference will go down. The cost is going down.
Yeah,
The cost for
yeah.
training is going down, and then the cost for algorithmic innovation is going down too, because, right, it used to be that to discover something like the attention mechanism way back when, Google first discovered it, you needed to have all the TPUs out the wazoo, basically. It's like,
I think it's also worth noting that from a hardware perspective, while the new NVIDIA hardware is impressive-ish, it's still running on the same old hardware nodes that they had been running. It's mostly a better configuration of that hardware, of the actual silicon itself, to do stuff like have better memory bandwidth than it is some sort of like fundamental, like we packed more transistors into it kind of deal. It's a software efficiency improvement, not necessarily a hardware efficiency improvement.